Hello, magandang araw. So, kamusta kayo mga estudyante, mga manonood at mga mag-aaral, ano? So, balikan natin tayo, ano? So, topic natin pa rin is exponent. Okay, ito yung kanina natin. So, exponent, multiply. So, makikita nyo naman, mga example natin kanina. So, nagbigay tayo ng law of exponent. Yung first natin, product of a power. Okay, so, ito yan. Sana nasagutan nyo na to, ano? So, next na tayo. Na law of exponent. Okay, so law exponent, quotient of A, power. Okay po, so ito ay madali lang din. Okay, so pag-aralan natin. So formula natin, we have x raised to b all over x raised to c equals, okay, kung kanina sa multiplication or sa product of a power, nag-add tayo na mga exponent, dito sa ating quotient, okay, nagsusubtract naman tayo ng exponent. Okay, isinosubtract natin exponent numerator dun sa denominator. Okay, so ano magiging labas niya? So we have x raised to b minus c. Okay po, kapag same ang kanilang base. Okay, ito na base exponent. Okay, so kakalimutan niya. Okay, so sagutan na natin tong unang example. We have 5 raised to 5 all over 5 raised to 3. So, makikita nyo, same naman ang kanilang mga base. Okay, so copy natin ang base, 5. So, sabi, subtract daw natin yung exponent. Okay, ni numerator at ni denominator. So, 5 minus 3 equals 5. What is 5 minus 3? Apadali, 2. Then, what is 5 squared? Or what is 5 times 5? O, pakita natin. 5 times 5, we have 25. Okay, so wag nyo gagawin yung sinabi ko kanina, no? 5 times 2, 10. Okay, mali po yan. So, multiply nyo si base sa sarili niya, dalawang beses. Okay, 5 times 5, 25. Next, number 2, example tayo. Okay, we have 2 raised to 10 all over 2 raised to 6. So, same base. Okay, nakikita nyo naman. So, we have 2, we have 10. Ayun, exponent ni numerator. Then, ni denominator, 6. Okay, so what is 10 minus 6? Napakadali. So, we have 4. So, now, ang tanong, what is 2 raised to 4? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. Okay, mahusay kayo, magagaling. Next, number 3, we have A, as you can see, yung kanilang base pareha. So, we have A raised to 8 all over A raised to 4. So, we have A, copy the base. Then, pag subtract natin ang kanilang exponent, nauuna yung ating numerator sa denominator. So, we have A minus 4. Okay, so, A minus 4 is 4. Okay, so, ito na yung ating sagot. Since wala namang value yung ating A at variable siya. Okay, so, ganyan lang siya kadali. Okay, next example tayo. Ready tayo, number 4. Ayun. So, we have B raised to 5 all over B raised to 2. So, ano yung mga example natin? Ito na. Okay, same base. Okay, so we have B, 5 minus 2, then we have B, 5 minus 2, 3. 4B raised to 3, B cube, okay na okay din yan. Okay, next, number 5. So, as you can see dito, meron na tayo ulit na kaninang ginawa natin. Okay, so may mga combination na tayo. Meron na numbers or meron numerical numbers, okay po. And also, meron din tayong mga variables, okay? So, ganun pa rin naman. Okay, so unahin muna natin yung ating numerical. Okay, so we have 4. Okay, so as you can see, meron tayong 8 and 5. So, ganun pa rin, 8 times 5. Then we have variable, which is C. Okay, so we have 12 minus 7. So, ganun pa rin. So, 4, 8 minus 5. Ano yung sagot? Very good. We have 3. Okay, next. C. What is 12 minus 7? 5. Okay, so next, simplify natin. So we have 4 raised to 3. What is 4 times 4 times 4? 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, then we have 60. 4, then connect natin. C raised to 5. And that is the answer. Okay, so now, try nyo, number 6. Okay. Yan. I-post nyo ulit sa comments natin kung ano yung magiging sagot natin. Go! Basic lang yan. Bye-bye!